Just a little short. I'm going to kind of show you something that I've actually been wanting to do for years, not been able to get my hands on one. I'm so happy. I feel like a fat kid that gets the last pork chop, man. I mean, this thing is awesome. And what I'm going to be doing is I've been looking for this thing. No, I'm joking. That ain't it. Here she is. Spikes Tactical. Senior Jack. This is the one. The one I've been wanting to do for a long time. We're going to do the battle worn on it. Changing this out. I'm not going to show you a whole lot of what I'm going to do until I get the video out. This is going to be just like a little couple minutes just to kind of give you a heads up. By the time John gets this out, I'll have this thing all broke down and started on it. So I am super stoked. It's going to be one that I probably don't shoot, but I've literally been looking for this thing for a couple years. I found it. Sharps has one out, kind of like an imitation. But this is the Spikes. So that's the one I want. And I might end up even doing like a 3-round burst short barreled rifle. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do. We'll definitely have a suppressor at some point. The hand grip that I've got, the suppressor will go up in it. This is a 5.56. Very good chance I'm going to change this thing to a 7.62 with 39, or a Beowulf, or a 458 SOCOM. The only thing is I want the barrel to be somewhere around 7.5 inches. And so right now, with everything the way it's going on, I don't know what I can find. So we'll just have to look and see. But it'll be one of those 3 calipers. I'm not going to be using this upper at all. This right here is the only thing I want. And I am super stoked. Y'all have a blessed one. We'll see you later.